Hello again, we got an important announcement for my 2 statistics class. So this is for Math 151 and Statistics 251. And might be the most important announcement, definitely the most important announcement yet, but maybe of the entire class. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys information about Statcrunch. Probably won't be the last time you hear about Statcrunch. So what Statcrunch is it is a calculator that is in my labs, and the calculator will help you do some calculations for statistics. So in the course you might have to find the mean or standard deviation or more complicated calculations, and Statcrunch is how you're going to do that. So a little bit about Statcrunch. First, let's figure out how do we get to Statcrunch. Statcrunch is in my lab statistics. So over on the left hand ribbon you can see a direct link to my lab statistics. You can get all of your assignments there, and you can get Statcrunch. So one way to get to Statcrunch is once you click on my lab statistics, there is a direct link to Statcrunch, or you can see it there. You can click on it and get to Statcrunch. Or in some of your homework assignments, you might need to upload the data into Statcrunch to do the calculations. Let's see if I can get one, if I can just kind of randomly pick an assignment here. Maybe this one. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can get one where we have to upload the data into Statcrunch. Okay, so here we don't need to upload the data into Statcrunch, but it does give me a problem where I have to find. So this is for Math 151 Module 3 Lesson 4. I just kind of randomly picked an assignment, but you can see that what they want is they want the 9th percentile, and they give me the mean and standard deviation. I'd imagine you probably haven't got there yet, but this is to illustrate how to use Statcrunch. So another way to get to Statcrunch is you can go to Question Help, and there's a link to Statcrunch. And a lot of times you'll have to upload the data into Statcrunch. Hopefully I can find a problem where we can do that. But sometimes you can just use the calculators. So for this problem, if you go to Stat should open up some calculators. There's calculators, and most of the calculators will be this normal calculator. In that normal calculator, you can put in your mean, you can put in your standard deviation. So here they gave you the mean. The mean was 2,314. 2,314. The standard deviation was 572.8, 572.8, 572.8. And they wanted to know the 9th percentile. So over here I would just put in 0.09, that's 9%. And let's see if I can compute that. So the 9th percentile then would be, a percentile is the percent that is to the left. And there you can see the percent to the left. The percent to the left, 9%. That's 9% of this total curve. The value associated that would be 1,546.0155. So that's what I would put in. I would round to the nearest integer, so I could do that. But anyways, just to illustrate what Statcrunch can do, and there's videos on how to use Statcrunch. You can YouTube those, and I'll put a link to Statcrunch with YouTube videos. Let's see if I can find a problem where we have to upload data. Let's see here. Let's see, problem 14, I have to upload the data. Okay, that doesn't look like it. I might have to go to a different problem. Yeah, let me go to a different exercise here. See what we got. Let's try Module 3 Lesson 2. Just randomly pick a problem, see if that's gonna to it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and press pause and then come back with the problem where we have to upload the data. Okay, so I am in my Math 151 course shell. This applies for Math 251 as well. A lot of times you'll be given a data set, and here I got a data set that shows the maximum weight and time. And if you want to get that into Statcrunch so you can do some calculations, what you'll see is over on the top right you'll see two little boxes, and if you click on the two little boxes you'll have some options. One of the options is to open the data in a Statcrunch, and that automatically puts the data in a Statcrunch, and then you can do what you need to do with that. So in this example what they want you to do is find a scatter plot. It says display the data in a scatter plot, and if you're in Statcrunch, if you go to the graphs there, let me get back and go to graphs. Close that. Close that out. And if we go to graph, we can get to a scatter plot, and then select the X variable and the Y variable, and then go ahead and just run that, compute, and then it'll show you a scatter plot, and then you can match it up with the scatter plot. And then it'll ask you some other things that Statcrunch will help you with. So the moral of the story is that Statcrunch will help you immensely in the class, and I just wanted you to be aware of it and how to get to it and how to upload the data into Statcrunch. Hopefully that will help a lot throughout the course. Alright, have a wonderful day.